Rockstars, welcome Crew Online. In this special release, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 44 divided by 44 over 14, then times 14. First we do this multiplication. 44 over 14 times 14. We can easily cancel this 14 and this 14. So here we have this 44 only, and 44 divided by 44 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 44 divided by 44 over 14. To do this division, write down the 44, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 14 over 44. And here again, we have times 14. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 44 and this 44, which gives 14. And here again, we have times 14. So here we have this 14 times 14, which equals 196. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.